and it's Walkie. Welcome to Walkie Talkie Tithi. Today we are learning about alphabets. There are 26 letters in the alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gorilla, and H for hand. I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, and P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S is snake, T tiger, U umbrella, V violin, W watch, X mystery, Y yo-yo, Z zebra. Now we are learning the sounds. A sounds A, B sounds P, C sounds K, D sounds T, E sounds E, F sounds F, G sounds G, H sounds H, I sounds I, J sounds J, K sounds K, L sounds L, M sounds M, N sounds N, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds V sounds V, W sounds W, X sounds X, Y sounds Y, and Z sounds Z. Subscribe to my channel right below. Okay then, bye.